Taki Abe, the wife of Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe, greeted with a warm welcome at Loggers Run Middle School. School board member Frank Barbieri and Deputy Superintendent Keith Oswald presented this gift to Japan's First Lady, a colorful creation crafted by student Sora O'Hara.
On behalf of the students of Loggers Run Middle School, forever you are welcome here at our school. Please, thank you.
Principal Ed Capitano presented a second gift, this piece created by art teacher Kristen Carnes. The First Lady's visit, a rare opportunity for students and a very special segue into new learning opportunities for students at Loggers Run.
Today's visit will help solidify our relationships not only with the Japanese culture but also the Japanese language. Next year we will be offering introductory Japanese, intermediate as well as advanced to our Loggers Run students.
Loggers Run's impressive curriculum includes several academies, including a culinary program, which the First Lady experienced firsthand, wearing a personalized chef's coat presented to her by the school and standing shoulder to shoulder with student cooks making sushi.
Kind of difficult. Yes. Yeah.
This special visit only whet the appetites of students hungry to learn more about Japanese culture and language.
International business is something that is that we're looking to bridge a gap with. So bringing in the international languages, such as Japanese, we hope to make that communication more effortless to do more e-commerce, more commerce with our neighboring countries, as well as countries afar.
In fact, this visit was born from international business. The Prime Minister in town to meet with President Trump, affording his wife the opportunity to learn more about academic excellence in Palm Beach County.
Very good.
Claudia Shea reporting for the Education Network, keeping you informed.